Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Begins. In this video, we will learn about sort, sorted and lambda function used in Python. So what is the use of sort function in a Python? So let's see the example of sort function. So I have one list over here which is having the number of element which are not sorted, and if I want to apply the sorting on this list, then I can use the sort function. Let's run this program first. So our output is not sorted. So whenever I am writing like this l dot sort, then our list will be sorted. Okay, and this is in place sorting, means this sorting will perform on the same list itself. To perform a sorting, list this sort function does not require any extra space. Okay, so this is how sorting is performed on the list, and our list output is now sorted, right? And other function is sorted. So whenever I am using the sorted, so basically sorted syntax is like this. Sorted, we need to pass the parameter as the list. Okay, and after that I am printing the list. So this is basically not working because we need to assign this sorted into another variable. Okay, and this sorted function output is the list. Okay, so this is outplace sorting, because whenever we are calling this sorted function which required to create a new list, so that space is required to create a new list. That's why this is outplace sorting, and that sorting is performed on that new list. Okay, and now I am going to run this program and printing the l1 variable. Okay, then we get the sorted list, right? So this is how you can perform the sorting on the list. And if you want to perform sorting as the descending order, then you can put reverse is equal to true. By default this property value is false. Okay, so this does not need to define every time if you don't want to get the result in descending order. Okay, descending order means like this, non-increasing order. So this is how you can sort the list in reverse order, or we can say descending order. And for sort function also there is the same thing you need to follow. Sort reverse is equal to true, and let's print that and run this program. So as you can see, descending order, in descending order we have sorted the list. So this is how you can use the sort and sorted function. Let's see what is the lambda function and what is the use of lambda function. So lambda function is basically a small anonymous function which does not require a name to define it. And when we can use this lambda function, so lambda function we can use whenever we require a nameless function for a short period of time, and in Python we generally use it as an argument in higher order function. Okay, so let's see the example of lambda function, how we can use it. So to define the lambda function, let me comment out this code first. Then I am defining the value called variable called double, which defining one lambda function. As you can see, this lambda function will take any number of arguments, but there is must be a one expression. Okay, so you can pass any argument over here. So I'm passing argument as x, and I need to return power of that value. So this variable will work as a function. If I am passing the argument 5, then it will return as the 25, sorry 10, 5 into 2, 10, right? And we can give any expression over here after this colon. So this is basically a syntax of lambda function. Lambda, after that you need to pass the argument. That must be any number of argument which is separated by comma, after that colon, and then after you need to define the expression. Okay, if I want to take power of that, uh, then star. Okay, like this you can perform any operation using defining the expression. Okay, so this is how lambda function is working. And in Python we can use we are mostly use this lambda function as an argument in the higher order function. So let's how we can use this lambda function in this sort function or sorted function. So for that, let's take the example. If I have one list D, and which is having the dictionary, like this is the list of dictionary, and in that I have ID and name values, this key and values are present. Okay, I am defining for records in different order, and I need to sort this list of dictionary. Then how can I sort this? Okay, so I have this dictionary which is having the value like this: id1, id3, id2 and id5, and I need to sort this list of dictionary. Then how can I sort this using sort function? So for that I need to write like this: d dot sort, and then I need to define key. That key parameter is basically checking on which we need to perform this sorting. Okay, so we can define the lambda function for this. So lambda function will check each and every uh, we can provide any number of argument over here, and we need to perform sorting on the id. Okay, so this lambda function will help us to checking the id for this key. Okay, and it will give us the sorted result. So let's run this program and see the output. So now our list is sorted. So as you can see, our dictionary is like this: 1 3 2 5, but now our list of dictionary is sorted 1 2 3 5. So basically we can use this lambda function as an argument in a sorted function. Okay, in any higher order function, and we can use this lambda function in sorted function also. So how we can use that? So for that we need to assign it into another list. We need to sorted, pass the list and key same as the sort function. We need to write lambda function. We are passing the parameter, and expression is on which you need to perform sorting. Okay, and this will also uh, give you the result, but we need to print L1. Let's clear this, and as you can see, that is giving us the sorted result. So this is how you can use the lambda function to sort in a list of dictionary using particular key. Okay, and in lambda function you can give any number of argument and must be a one expression. So let's take example for that also. If I have one variable called sum, or we can say add, and I am defining lambda function for that, and I want to take the sum of three variable, then how can I do that? X plus y plus z. Okay, and I need to call this variable with three parameter 4, 5, 6. So this will give us the sum of these three number. Okay, that is 15. Okay, so this is how you can pass multiple arguments to the lambda function, and there is you can define the expression which is used to return the value. So we don't need to define the return function as we have defining in the normal function, right? So this is how sorted and lambda function is working. Thank you. See you in the next video.